Did you know that 2020 was the deadliest year for gun violence in decades? Community preparedness is critical, especially as gatherings increase and businesses begin to open back up.
Our Curaplex Stop the Bleed kits are packed with essential items to treat severe hemorrhaging before professional help arrives. They can be stored in an AED cabinet or one of our Stop the Bleed cabinets.
Our Curaplex Advanced Stop the Bleed kit contains trauma shears to cut clothing or packaging, 2 pairs of gloves, a tourniquet, a Sharpie to mark the tourniquet time, an emergency bandage, compressed gauze, chest seals, and combat gauze. All components are placed in tamper-proof packaging and are assembled here at our kitting facility in the US. Contact your account manager to learn more today.